Tanging si Senator Sherwin Gatchalian ang kinikilala nating liderato ngayon sa Senado.
Ma'am, with no recognition from the House and the Executive, how does Malacanang see Senator Cayetano's proposal for an interim arrangement? Under this arrangement daw po, since both Cayetano and Gatchalian maintain their legitimate leadership of the Senate, dual signatory and joint certification system for official transactions daw po and documents habang wala pang declared na official Senate President.
Muli, ang kinikilala ng ehekutibo ay si Senator Sherwin Gatchalian. Walang maidudulot sa ngayon ng ganitong klaseng arrangement. Baka mangyari na naman ang nangyari dati sa House of Representatives kung saan meron na silang term sharing agreement na hindi tinupad agad ni Senator Alan Cayetano. Again, uulitin natin, tanging si Senator Sherwin Gatchalian ang kinikilala nating liderato ngayon sa Senado.